What's going on? My name is UFGrace and welcome to a Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing. Today we are going to be doing Yu-Gi-Oh! The Dual Power Box. I've never opened it, this box. I've never seen it. As you can see, it's still in its box. As you can see down here, we've got the Ash Blossom Gaming Mat, I think it's called. And you have to forgive me because I'm still learning where I'm going to put this stuff, but this will do for now. So, this is the front of the box. So it has Dark Magician, Hero Neos, Starlight Dragon, and I don't know these three. And on the back, it says what you get. So you get a mat, you get 6 packs, and you get the variant cards, which we'll see in a second. So we're going to open this up. Where did I make the indent? Here it is. So this is my first box in like 2 years that I've bought, like official box. So we'll put that there. Actually we might bring this up a bit, so motion sickness. If you can see my keyboard there. So there you go. That looks better. Okay. Da, 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 da. Alright. First things first, we see the playmat. I haven't seen the playmat, but so it's got Dark Magician, the Star. You can't really see it, can you? Yeah, I'll do this. So you got Dark Magician there, you got Star, Dragon, I believe, and you got all these other ones. And then on the back, what do we have? We've got Dark Magician and Hero Neos. So that is pretty cool. And next, we've got our packs. So we've got our promos, and we have 6 dual power packs. So we'll put that there and we'll get these open. So obviously we'll open the promos first. And somewhere around here, yep, I see them, which you'll see in a second, I have sleeves. So we'll open these up. So we've got, let me see if I can do this. There we go. Okay, we got Dark Magician. Actually, I think I'll just come back here. Hero Neos, Stardust Dragon, number 39 Utopia. I believe this was in the Legendary Kyber box. Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon, and Decode Talker. So we'll put them right there. And we got 6 packs. Let's see how lucky I will be this time. Because my brother, he always has better luck than me. So let's open it. Now I'm weird. I try to keep the packaging in these boxes. Makes it seem not boxes, the booster packs. So let's open Sesame. Now, I have no clue what could be in these. Okay, we've got Platinum Gadget, Mark of the Rose, Silver Gadget, Necro's Kaleidoscope, Star Seraceptor. Okay, they seem pretty cool. Again, I don't know rarities. That's the first pack. Second pack of Dual Power. And from little fact, I call this Dark Magician Zombie Dark Magician. No real reason except he's green. Oh, that card. I don't know if it's good or what it is, but that card is awesome. In Kyber, it's worth a lot. So at the end of the video, we'll do like a total how much it is. So then we've got Miracle Fusion, Eternal Soul. Oh, I love the Egyptian cards. Can you see Dark Magician in there? Dark Magical Circle, and Quillfoot Genius. Nice. I'm glad I got cards tonight. I've only ever had one before, and I had to buy that. A little collecting thing I'm doing is like trying to get all the legendary card or collection cards. I'm missing like 3, and then I'll have one of everything. Okay, we got Magic Gate of Miracles, Lefty Driver, Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon, Link Karibo, Chaos Form. Okay. Some of these cards I recognise, obviously. Some I only really watched Yu-Gi-Oh! And Yu-Gi-Oh! GX. They seem bigger, these booster packs. They seem bigger than the regular ones. That's just me. So there seems like there's more wiggle room. Ooh! Ghost. This is another one from the Kaiba collection. Ghost, Ogre, and Snow Rabbit. Signal Warrior. Another Miracle Fusion. Wind Dragon of War. Immortal Phoenix. I'm assuming that's a good one. And Ring Dragon of War. Sphere Mode. I think they are both pretty good. So I'll put them there so you can see it. Hopefully that is a good pack. I don't know. I probably should have watched a video of like Simply Unlucky opening it and that, but I'm excited to see what they are. Okay, let's... Ooh! Bond between teacher and student. And if you've watched like season 4 of Yu-Gi-Oh! When they go to Egypt, so that's Mahad, and that's Yummy's, Atem's best friend. Another Signal Warrior, Miracle Fusion, Winged Dragon of War, Immortal Phoenix. Another! I don't know. Okay. Alright. Can we go for a triple? Alright. Last pack. Oh my god. I think I love this box. Kind of want to get more. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. From the last ones, I don't think we'll be getting another one of these two. But, here's hoping. Aroma Therapy Jasmine. XYZ Change Tactics. Hot Red Dragon Archery and Bane. That one's looks pretty cool. Harpy Dancer. Oh, I haven't got that one. And Heretic Dragon King of Atom. Okay. So, those are all the cards that I got. I'm going to tally all these up, and I'll be back in a second. And I'm back. So, I did the maths, and I'm quite surprised, really. So, for this box, I paid $57. That's the cheapest I can get in my area. And I made back, if I were to sell these, $13.50. That's not including these promos. So, what do I think about the set? Seems, I mean, I know some cards. It's pretty cool, actually. I mean, it's always nice to get Winged Dragon or Ra Sphere Mode. I've never had them before, but that will do for this week's episode. And if you're wondering what sleeves I'm going to put them in, I'm going to be putting them in these ones. I think these are called Dark Neos or something. So my name's UFGrace. You guys will fan them. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, because I make new videos every Monday. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!